Yeah, thanks very much indeed. Jobs at risk. Astronauts, watch out because of this one. This model, which is called Picasso. The developer is Sethu Vijayakumar. Sethu, we saw you in the last hour showing us one of your other robots. This one, you're looking to send into space. Tell me about it. What does it do, and where might it go?
So this is what we call an anthropomorphic robot arm, which means it's got the joints are very similar, its degrees of freedom are very similar to a human arm. And obviously there's the problem of making it move without colliding into things and being very safe. So for example, you can push against it in a very stiff way, and I can suddenly decide to change the stiffness and make it go floppy, and you can see it reacting to me in a sort of floppy way. So in addition to the planning problem, there's an issue of how do we get the robot to sense the environment around you. So you can see a little camera shot of, you can maybe see a screenshot of what the camera sees. And
you can see that on the monitor.
And you can see what the raw sensors are sensing. So the real challenge is going from these raw sensors to making sense of the world and then doing something intelligent like grabbing something and then clearing a table, for example.
Yeah, that's the thing. I suppose with a human arm, you've got the sight, you've got touch. Here we can see it's got the sight, but the touch is an issue. That's something you've developed.
Absolutely. So as you can see, the problem is when it gets close to the object it wants to manipulate, the cameras are no good. So you need to rely on the sense of touch, and these little sensors here, and you can see again at the back on the screen there, when I push against it, it's telling you what force I'm applying. So you can then use this as a way of closing grip around an object and then manipulating it, and in this case clearing a table.
And this could be the arm of something called the Robonaut.
So Robonaut is already a robot that is in existence with the NASA Space Center, so Johnson Space Center. So we have a collaboration with NASA